is a child abduction alert regarding the following child. Brianna, middle initial K. King, last name Van, V-A-N-N. Brianna is 11 months old, 28 inches, and between 20 and 25 pounds, dark complexion. The child was last seen at 5263 North Mohawk Avenue in Glendale, Wisconsin. The child was last seen wearing a dark gray winter coat and blue jeans. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Wesley Van. Wesley is a black male. He's 5'7", 210 pounds, brown eyes, black hair. He may be traveling in a 2007 Dodge Charger 4-door, dark gray in color, with Wisconsin license plate 994, H like in Henry, Z like in zebra, J like in John. Last seen heading in an unknown direction. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Brianna K. Van, please contact the Glendale Police Department at the following phone number, 414-228-1753.
Because it was a bunch of different countries all coming together in one big pot.